So for our chemistry signature assessment, we had to create a white powdery substance called barium sulfate. Now step 1, you gotta grab a lab partner. Mine is named Dash. Alright, now that we did that, we gotta mix 1.25 grams of sodium sulfate with 1.47 grams of barium chloride. Alright, as you saw before, this is really complicated stuff we're dealing with here. We have two chemical compounds that need to yield a double replacement reaction. So what do we need to do in order to create this ionic exothermic reaction together? Well, surprise, that's it. After a few days, we let the barium sulfate settle to the bottom of the beaker. I mean, it kind of looks like a sad layer snow. Anyway, we had to pour it into a filter to collect the barium sulfate. The solution had a deep connection to the glass, so we sprayed some water to split them apart. We ended up filtering the liquid twice for good measure in order to collect as much barium sulfate as we could. Then we took the filter, folded it up, and put it in the oven. The original filter was about 0.96 grams, and after it weighed about 2.87 grams, meaning that we got 1.91 grams of barium sulfate at 129% yield. Pretty nice if you ask me.